Okay. To you, from me. Angie, I've got the hiccups, and it makes it hard to sing, but I hope you'll bear with me, 'cause I've got to tell you something. Today is your birthday, and so I'm happy to say that I love you in so many ways, and I hope that you had a friggin' fantastic day. Yes, Angie, I've got the hiccups, but I hope that you understand that I love you so dearly. I'll make a fool of myself online just to tell you something I really should have planned. Today is your birthday, so I hope you got smiles and cupcakes and rainbows and kittens and puppies and unicorns and all of those wonderful things like free rides and limousines. And Angie, maybe you've cured my hiccups. I haven't had one for a verse or two, and that's just another reason why I love you. I miss you, I kiss you, I love you, I won't ever diss you, because I just wouldn't do that because I love you too much. We go way far back to Girl Scouts and high school, which was whack. I wish I could hug you, but I hope you're hugging yourself, 'cause I can't be there. And all I really wanted to tell you was I love you, my dear, 'cause today is your birthday. You're 21 years old right now, and I'll be there for them all till we grow old and have to have walkers and canes and stuff. Yes, Angie, I love you so dearly.